This video is going to show you how to create a Google form using Google Drive. Two ways to get into your Google Drive is to sign into your Gmail account and then click on the boxes up here, and that will bring you to your Google Drive. Or you can just search under Google and do Google Drive, and this first one should bring you there. You'll probably have to sign into your Gmail account from there too, and it should bring you into Google Drive documents. Once in there, you're going to create a Google form. So we're going to click on Form, and you can give it a title and choose whatever style that you would like. And there's quite a few styles to choose from here. And click OK. Once you're in, you can go ahead and start your questions. Now there's lots of different types of questions you can choose from. Here's where you would type the question. Here's where you would choose what type of answer you're going to put in. So you can do a text, paragraph text, multiple choice, and so forth. If you choose multiple choice, you would type in the options down here. And then if you want to have multiple different options, you would just click add another, and then you'd be able to type in more options. There's also the option here to make it a required question. So if it's a survey and you want this question to have to be answered, you would click that. You could also use Google Forms to create quizzes, which in that case you would want to make sure they're always required. And then under advanced settings, you can also shuffle the option orders as well. So if you don't want them all to be the same, especially for a quiz, that would be a good option to have. When you're done, you would click done, and then you add another item and go ahead and add another question for your survey. So it's pretty easy to enter the questions for the survey. A couple things to do then when you're finished. If you want to view what it looks like, so you click on View Live Form and it'll show you what your quiz or your survey looks like. You can also send the form by going up here to Send Form and get the link, and you can send it out through the link. Otherwise, another thing, if you want other people to work on the form with you, you can go here and add collaborators, which is another nice option of Google Forms. So that's how to create a form. Once you have created your form, I want to show you what the data looks like when you start getting them back. So here's a form that I've created, and this is the responses. So they come back kind of in a spreadsheet like this, and I can see the responses. One of the best ways to view the responses, especially maybe with your class, would be if you go up to Form and then Show Summary of Responses. It gives you percentages of who answered what, and charts and graphs as well, which is kind of a nice feature of this, so you don't have to go through and tally it all up yourself, but it kind of gives them the percentage right there. I'll show you one other one. So again, you go into, this would be the spreadsheet that you get. You go up to Form and then Show Summary of Responses. And this one's going to tell you who responded. These were questions that I would have asked, the name, the school, the grade and subject taught, and then it breaks it down. Now this one gives you a pie chart with percentages. So that is how to create a Google form.